Welcome to our YouTube self-help channel. Today we're going to show you how to replace your in-grill refrigerator water filter.
Locate the water filter cartridge cap in the front base grill. Remove the filter by pressing and holding down the eject button while pulling straight out on the filter cap. Remove the filter cartridge cap by turning it counterclockwise until it stops and the ridges align. Then pull the cap straight off the end of the cartridge. Set aside the filter cap and do not discard. Remove the new filter from any packaging. Remove the covers from the O-rings. Place the filter cartridge cap that was set aside earlier on the new filter by aligning the ridge on the cap with the arrow on the filter. Turn the cap clockwise until it stops and snaps into place. Hold the assembled cap and filter unit by the lip on the cap so that the filter cartridge arrow is facing up. Align the filter and cap unit with the opening in the grill base and push the new filter into the hole. Once the filter is completely inserted, the eject button will pop back out.
We'll see you next week with more helpful tips on how your appliance works and maintenance ideas to extend the life of your product.